Did you know when you're out camping, nothing feels better than starting a fire? The Leatherman Signals knife blade works perfectly with the included flint rod. But did you know this isn't as easy as everyone on YouTube shows? You need to strike down hard and you'll throw plenty of sparks into your tinder bundle. Ever had a stubborn pull tab snap when you go to eat? The screwdriver fits right through the tab and pops it open cleanly. You don't need to destroy the can or your fingers. Sometimes you just need the creature comforts of home. One family favorite, fold out the multi-tool and balance your phone against it. Suddenly, you've got a hands-free phone stand at camp. Perfect for viewing gear instruction manuals, watching a movie, YouTube, or snapping a group photo. But in many places we've been to, there's no cell service. So why not plan your next hike with a guidebook? We've found the Leatherman to work great holding pages on a windy day. It takes two tools to perform this next trick. You can whittle the wood sheath from a broken pencil with a knife, then sharpen the tip with the file. But the real secret, the shavings make great tinder for fire starting with the flint we showed earlier. A pencil is like carrying a built-in handful of kindling. We'll keep going with number 6 next, but we have a question and we'd like to hear from you. What's your secret? Share the strangest or most creative way you've used the Leatherman multi-tools in the comments today. Do you use zip ties? We do. Zip ties are everywhere on gear, tarps, even makeshift repairs. If you cinch one too tight, can you reuse it? The small screwdriver slides under the tab so you can release it without breaking it and gives this zip tie new life. Do you ever struggle peeling fruit? Oranges are amazing trail food, full of fiber, juice, and sugar. But peeling them with cold fingers or just have a stubborn peel? Not fun. The can opener slices right through the peel, so you can get to the good stuff without the mess. Let's go back to cans again. What if the tab breaks right off? I've had this happen often enough. Just use the screwdriver again to break this seal and do the job the pull tab was built for. We're about halfway through, but we've used Leatherman multi-tools to make this video. Read our video description to get more details, including updated pricing and tool specifications. And if you buy one as a gift or know someone else with a Leatherman, share this video to help them get the most from their tool. What do you think about tent stakes? The Leatherman Signal actually has a hammer built right in. It's designed for pounding, and it works great on stakes. No need to use a rock or your boot or the side of the tool. And when you're ready to pack up camp, those stakes always seem to get stuck, especially in dry ground. Use the Leatherman Signal's Carabiner to grip the stake and wiggle it free. No more yanking on wet ropes or tearing up your hands trying to pull them out. Nuts are easy to carry without containers, but pistachios and the like can be difficult nuts to crack. Use the can opener to crack open stubborn pistachios. I've lost count of how many times I've shredded my fingernails trying to open one. The Leatherman makes it quick and painless with the can opener or flathead screwdriver. Outdoor food packaging can be brutal. Freeze-dried meals, jerky bags, even coffee packets. The scissors slice right through, like on this package of cheese. No frustration required. And they're sharp enough that you don't need to risk stabbing with the knife. But the knife is great for cheese, salami, even summer sausage. The knife cuts them cleanly for an instant trail charcuterie board. Way better than hacking chunks with a pocket knife or trying to rip it by hand. On the trail, good footwear is key, but some shoes just don't get tight by hand. But shoelaces can also come loose on the trail. Grab the middle with the pliers and pull them tight. It saves you from blisters and painful sores on your feet. And when your shoes are snug, you hike a whole lot more comfortably and prevent stumbles and trips. We'll get back to the list in a minute. If you discover something new for your Leatherman with this video, subscribe today to learn more about hiking and camping the national and state parks. Okay, back to the list. And a broken fingernail or hangnail can be brutal anytime. But on the trail, it can be a nuisance. Use the screwdriver to clean out dirty nails. Then use the scissors to cut your nails and the file to finish them off smooth. Continuing with rope, ever tied a knot too tight to undo? First, use the pliers to get a little slack. Then you can use your fingers to finish. But other tools on the Leatherman can also work right into the knot to pry it loose. It saves you from cutting your rope, which is huge if you're camping with limited gear and need to reuse it. Forget to pack enough tent stakes, no problem. Grab some sturdy wire and bend it with the pliers into a hook shape. In just a minute, you've got a DIY tent stake that'll hold down a tarp or guy line. Not pretty, but it works in a pinch. Once you've got a stake, you can actually use the multi-tool itself as a hammer. Keep it closed, hold it firm, and pound the stake into the dirt. It's not as solid as a mallet, but when you're in the backcountry, sometimes you just need something that works. And to remove that tent stake easily, use the pliers for a carefree experience. But many cans don't have a pull tab. That's fine. The Leatherman has a classic can opener that gets you into any can. Just like a traditional Swiss Army knife or the kitchen tool designed decades ago in 1855, this can opener slices right through the can. A good camp meal includes cooking on a stove, but how do you handle the hot cans and pots? Here's a smart trick. Cook beans or soup right in the can, then grab it safely with the pliers. No burned hands or ruined gloves, and no spilled dinner. The pliers work on metal mugs and pot handles too. Need a small cup to start a fire or to cook with? Cut down a soda can with the can opener, smooth the edges with the scissors, and boom, you've got yourself a lightweight cup. Just be careful with the sharp edges while you're making and using it. Did you know you can use a Leatherman to peel a carrot? Use the blade to peel any carrot in a scraping motion away from your body. We try to get the most out of our gear, but sometimes stuff happens. Do you have a favorite jacket with a lost zipper pull? Just use the pliers to help you zip up your jacket carefree. Wood has so many uses on the trail, and the Leatherman saw is ready for action. Use it to cut tree branches into poles or down into smaller firewood, but the smooth blade can be used to whittle the branch into a spear, plus you get the added benefit of kindling for your next fire. For more great outdoor gear, watch this video next. And if you found value from this video, make sure to like, hype, and share this video with your friends.